When I've made a cocktail sauce for you, I usually add mayonnaise to it. But when I was in America recently, their cocktail sauce only has tomato and a few other ingredients, no mayonnaise. So I'm going to show you this version. Now for the main ingredient in this, I like to use rich and thick diced tomato as opposed to puree. And I need about half a can for this recipe. Now for some sweetness, I like the addition of some caster sugar, and we'll stir that in. And now for some big and bold flavours, horseradish, about a teaspoon, some Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon, mix that in. That'll give it a lovely savoury flavour. And then in America, their cocktail sauce is pretty spicy, but at home you can put as much or as little as you like. So I'll add about 2 or 3 drops of that. Now for some acidity, some lemon, and I'll add the juice of half a lemon. These lemons are quite juicy, so I just need about a quarter of this one. And some seasoning, a pinch of salt, and some freshly cracked pepper. Now I'll give that a really good stir. Of course, have a taste to make sure everything is balanced. Oh, that is so yummy, so tomatoey, which is what I'm looking for. Got some cooked Aussie prawns. I'll just use a little lemon for the garnish. I'll cut that in half. So a small wedge here. And then our spicy tomato sauce. Place that into the centre. This is a fantastic entree to share with friends if you're entertaining. And if you've tried the creamy cocktail sauce and you're looking for an alternative, this is the one for you.